Morning. Sorry sa buntag. I don't know if I'll be able to post this, but I'm just upstairs and yeah, it's so bad the weather outside. Check that out. Ano siya, tugnaw. And it's raining also, so makes it worse. Gahapon nag-video ko, nag-vlog ko, but I realized na wala na ko yung audio. The audio is like turned off and that's bad. Also sa update off lang niya kay vlog naman ako may problema. I'm using the Tamron 17 to 28 right now for my vlogging, and I just saw na Tamron has the new one, the G2 version, and it's 16, which is wider. Ano tingin siya 16 to 30. So wider and much one. Di siya 16-35 but 16 to 30. That would have been a very good lens. Anyway, nasuya ako. But this one, I still have this, and I'm still gonna use this because the thing is, yeah. Although it's like not that wide, and it's like whatever, but it's weather sealed, and I'm doing good with it. So let's just use this for now. Late na, alas 4, but kawasta kay natay paliton. Ulan yung kayo. Yeah, layo ko ga-park sa kasakyan. Let's go. In the afternoon, sayo ko ni matabat ka ng nakagibuhat this today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out, and then I'm going to sell some stuffs and buy some stuff. So yeah, let's go. Nice kayo ba? Pwede makita sa layo ang city. Hindi kayo ko vista. Okay, tayo mo sa tumoy half na sun, kanang na light. Yan, nariha pita. Hindi ko siya tanaw in real life, but di ko ka-picture karon kasi nang drive ko. Yo. Pa-inter kayo. Pa-inter kayo ba? Wala na akong masumpay ang video earlier, so muning sumpay. May klase. Itlog. Spam. Mantika. Luto. Tagod. Yaka. Siya. So, yep. And yes, ito siya. See you tomorrow. Additional gamay. Ano ko gamay. Muna siyang mga itlog nga kanang lutuon sa mantika nga di bago. So nakasuway ko sa una, ilutong itlog sa mantika sa isda. Pisti. Gitinami. Anyway, kani siya luto na ko sa mantika sa spam. Pinuntayin siya dami, pero wala lang.